Hi, I'm live. Oh, so scary.
So we're going to change it up. We're going to do a little bit of math today.
Because I have a friend who can do math. So yeah.
And there's a bird that's really angry, so I don't know if it is a cat.
Can you take it down? Take that down? Because I'm bright.
What?
That one.
We need some like...
Oh wait, look at though. Oh wait, that's so funny. You can see me from up there.
Oh, that's my laptop. I'm like, what is that?
That's just trippy.
Yeah, let's try this one. I'll take this one
Oh,
down.
there's someone here. Hi.
And we'll... Oh, that's okay. But, I mean, then you can't see what you're doing.
Yeah. Just trying to figure out the light situation. That must be someone from YouTube because they keep like coming up and then leaving. Like, toward every time, in the first 40-second period, they always come up and do that.
Make sure that everything's kosher, probably.
Probably. So right now, we're just gonna wait for my friend and.
All right. So just start talking about what you've done so far.
So I'm doing experimental
Probability.
It's
all basically about statistics and stuff.
I really hope it's not a cat with a bird.
I bet you it is.
I really love it how it's on TV like that. It is I, Yeet MC. Hi, Yeet!
All right, good. Somebody who knows what they're doing.
Good, because guess what? Here's my math.
And I can do some work.
Go!
All right, you guys.
So, what I am doing right now is... Let me show you. Can I have something hard to write on? There's my stuff. I'm glad I have a friend that can actually do math because I can't at all worth anything. Okay. Really?
Hold on. Let them do their thing.
So, let's just go on with... Well, we'll wait for him to go. We're going to... Probably can't hear me, so just let them finish.
It'll never last more than like 3 minutes. So.
Nope.
Usually less than 8 minutes.
If you see me look up there like I am right now, it's because I can see myself on TV.
He likes the way he looks.
I can see myself here, though.
Oh my god, I'm beautiful. It's bigger up there.
It's so weird when I look up there. So trippy. Let's just go ahead and just
So can I cast like the meditation thing up there or no?
I like seeing myself.
But you see yourself on the small screen.
Sure.
I'm getting a study done.
What?
You guys sound ridiculous.
Bad representation.
Alright.
Finally, after multiple years. Here's my math, and today we're doing experimental probability of simple events. Okay. Have you done this? You're doing 9th grade math, so I'm pretty sure you've done this. So yeah. Here we go. Here we are.
What part are you on?
I'm on 12.2.
I know, but what part? I mean, let's go over like what you're supposed to be doing on this piece of paper in front of you. Let me see. Finding experimental probability. Consider tossing a paper cup. Okay, I think that's like actually an activity, so I don't think we can do that.
Okay, cannot do that because I do remember doing something about probability. That's good. That's good. All right. Last one was kind of easy, but my dad didn't know how to do most of it.
No, we're lost, and that's why it's like I'm glad that somebody knows what they're doing.
Go.
Come on, baby. Wee Fury.
That is our Wee Fury.
That's what that cat on Kin 2 is named.
No, it's a goofy name.
Well, he's a goofy cat.
Did we ever do my hair?
I don't know. I gave you the hairbrush.
I will.
Just stay focused, okay?
All right. There we go. Now we are at something. Thank you. Now we are at something we could probably do. It's called Your Turn. A toy machine has equal number of red, white, and blue foam balls, which is released at random. Ross wonders which color ball he will be released next. Describe how you can use a standard number cube to predict that answer. This would be on me. How can you use a number cube to predict a color?
Because you break it down. Okay.
There's no colors on it though.
I think we made it through that one pretty good last time.
But this is a different lesson. Alright, that's good. She says she remembers doing this.
Okay.
Probability. It's cool. It feels kind of like a virtual school.
Yes.
What I wanted to have it to feel like.
Meet MC the teacher.
Does it have it? Yes, it has the equal colors of red, white, and blue. What a coincidence is those colors.
Oh my god.
I still don't. Let me know if you want me to reread the question.
We get lost in translation. We don't understand what they want from us. I don't know how to translate that.
I don't think this. Yeah, let me just reread the question because I'm already lost. A toy machine has equal numbers of red, white, and blue foam balls. It released at random. Oh, it's a toy machine. Okay, then. Ross wonders which color ball will be released next. Describe how you could use a standard number cube to predict the answer. All right, that's good. And it's called Personal Math Trainer. And it's like, let me go back to see. Paper cut myself. What? Why is it already running low on battery?
I asked you.
Oh, let me just take it over here because I've always recorded over here before anyway.
We have a lighting.
Yes, this one over exaggerates the light for some
Yeah,
reason.
but no, for writing on your paper.
Yes, it does. Be right back. Good. That's okay. You just give me a minute. If it means help, I will take it.
Yeah, see, find out if there's like any like online resources, like videos and stuff that he recommends for us to learn better.
Yes. I'm glad you're getting some help, though. All right. Finally, after 1,000,000 years, used to be 100, but now it's 1,000,000. Because I am that bad at math. Okay. And so, standard number cube. I remember that. Okay. I'm glad. Wow. The Google. What? Where did I even hear that? The number of values we can get on a standard number cube is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. It's good. Actually, the background looks really well. Check it out myself. See?
I guess it's okay.
I thought the background looked really good. Anyway, and so 6 values equals Google. That's where I saw Google then. Okay. I was wondering. So since there's an equal number of balls. Okay. Is that the answer? Equal amount? Yeah. There are 3 colors. 8 paper cuts. But yes, there are 3 colors and there's 6. Alright. 3 and 4 could be blue. And 5 and 6 could be white, right? I think I got that one right. 3 and 4 can be white, and then 5 and 6 can be. 5 and 6 can be. I don't know.
Yeah, 1 and 2.
And blue. Cool. I love getting help. All right. Alright, yes. Yesterday I had a cube. I don't know where it went.
Do you need it?
I don't know yet.
Probably not.
Probably not.
I think you can use your imagination.
Imagination. Well, not like it's. Okay, get off track. Waste of paper. White side. Make this be both. I stabbed myself.
What?
A paper cut from paper math. The probability of rolling any color is 2 out of 6. 2-6. Bless me. Allergies. Oh. 2, 6. This is not my strong suit at all.
We literally have a bunch of books.
Yeah. Describe how you could use a standard number cube to predict the answer. Just throw this out real quick. The answer is really weird because if you roll a number cube or a dice, it's like at random. You have chance.
I know it would be if you have an even number. You know, it's 50% if you're going whatever you're going to get. You have an even number chance of getting any of those colors.
Yeah, you have one.
What's the question?
So if you run, okay, so if you roll a 1 and 2, it would be. Oh, I know the answer. If like what you said, if you roll a 1 and 2, it would be red. If you roll a 3 and 4, it would be white. If you roll a 5 and 6, it could be blue. Okay, I know now. So basically, she labels red as 1 and 2. So if she rolls 1 and 2, she would guess it red. If she rolled a 3 or 4, it would be white. And if she rolled a 5 or 6, she would be blue. Okay, I think that's right. Yep. Thank you so much. I know now. What does this say? Red, okay. Wait, it would be. I already wrote that. It would be white. And I'm gonna say what I wrote to make sure it sounds good to everyone here. Boom. So what I said was, if Rose, I for some reason called it Ross. Rose rolled 1 or 2, it would be red. If Rose rolled 3 or 4, it would be white. And if Rose rolled 5 or 6, it would be blue. So that's what I said. Very specific. And not that hard at all. But maybe I'll need help. Now it is guided practice. There's a 0.333% chance of getting any of those colors. I'm taking your word for it. Percentages I'm gonna need to learn in my lifestyle here. And I know percentages really well, but it's like fractions that I have problems with. Guided practice. A spinner has 4 sections lettered A, B, C, and D. The table shows the results of several spins. Find the experimental probability of spinning each letter as a fraction in the simplest form, a decimal, and as a percent. Let me show you how it looks like. The table. That's just irritating. It's just reversed. It just reversed it. Okay. So letters A, B, C, and D. A, the frequency for A is 14. The frequency B is 7. The frequency for C is 11. And 7 11. And the frequency for D is 8. So, I wonder if that helps you. Wait a second. Now we're learning about frequency. Yeah, I know. I think it's right. It's right there. Let me know if it's reversed to you. Oh, okay. Yes, sounds good. I'll type it in. It's gonna come out as daughter button, but it's me. Because, yeah. Remember, it's your live chat. Because I can't do it on. For A is B 7 frequency for C is 11 and frequency for B is 8. There you go. There's all the frequency stuff and the numbers. I'm gonna try to send it closer because I can type better in case I need to type. That was hard. I broke my back. Just kidding. Yeah. No problem. Anything for a friend who can help me with pretty much everything. Glad to have a friend who has like pretty much all A's. I used to, but now I don't. No, my grades are inaccurate. All right. Can't believe that. All right. This is the first time I learned about frequencies. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Oh, wait. Hold on. Find the experimental probability of spinning each letter as a fraction in simplest form, a decimal, and a percent. I'm so not good at this. I'm so not good at decimals. Or, wait. I'm pretty good at decimals and percentages. It's not fractions. Fractions I really suck at. Because organizing it from highest to lowest is, like, quite... I know that, but, like... Writing it in simplest form, it should be simple, but it's not to me. It is not.
Yeah, but like I said, there was like 2 years worth of school where you didn't learn any math. Like,
yeah.
Also, I mean, there's a big chunk between like where you left off and now, and that's like it's really screwed you.
Yeah. The problem is
there's no building blocks.
You have to have 4 answers. It's not one answer, unfortunately. I have to have 4 answers. All right. I'm sure we can figure this out. 40, okay. So, yeah. The simplest form, either as a percentage, a decimal, and a percent, or all together. I think I have to make 14 a simplest fraction, decimal, and a percent somehow. A equals 14. Oh my god. Okay. B17. And since I'm not just getting answers, I would. If you can you please explain to me what it is and how you got that answer? Because I need to learn. Most kids would just be like, oh, you don't need to tell me how you got that. But I want to know. Wait, those are fractions. Those are as fractions, right? Because I wrote those as fractions. Okay. If it's too complicated to explain, I'm sure I'll figure it out sometime. Just so as I said earlier, I added 14, 11, 17. Oh, so I was supposed to. Oh, why is the most simplest of stuff so hard for me to understand? So, okay, so you put the 14 for A over the 40. So, okay, so you add them all together, and then that's like the bottom, what's the bottom? Is it denominator, or is it, okay. Now I understand it. Okay. Why is the simplest of things so hard for me? It seems so easy to me. I just can't understand it until someone explains it to me.
Well, because that's just that nobody's been able to explain it.
I'm basically a 5th grader.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, that's kind of where we left off. That's
Man.
Really something. It's not. I mean, it is what it is.
Alright. Yeah, basically I'm a 5th grader when it comes to math. Even though I'm in 7th grade, because like what Nepper said, I haven't been taught math for 2 whole years.
Since COVID.
And so I finally get to have a true, besides for Lone Walker, who's also a math teacher.
Yeah, we're limited to same kind of thing.
Alright. So in decimals, divide. Oh yeah, division and multiplication either. I'm luckily. Alright. Oh wait, no. I'm sorry. Division I'm good at. Multiplication, I can't get it from the top of my head like most of my friends can. Anyway, let's go to question 2. Rachel's free throw average for basketball is 60%. She wants to predict how many times in the next 50 tries she will make a free throw. Describe how she could use 10 index cards to predict the answer. Alright. Oh wait. Sorry if you're not ready. This went on. $16. %68% for the A on 14 over 40. Wait, yeah, we're on question 2 now. No, 60. 60. Not 16, but 60. 6 0. I score a basket 0% of the time. She wants to predict how many times in the next 50 tries she will make a free throw. Describe how she could use 10 index cards to predict the answer. Okay, I feel like this one I should be able to know. So 10 she wants to use 10 index cards to predict how many free throws she can have in the next 50 tries. If you want me to type it out, 50. If you want me to type it out, I can. No, just let me do that. Let's say fee. Average. %. No, yeah, no, 50 tries. Oh my god, my teeth are still slightly big to me. Whatever. Yeah, 50. Let me just.
You have 50 things.
Yeah, they're growing. Embarrassing. Yep. Does this have something to do with fractions? I feel like it does. Well, no. 60%. So it has something to do with percentages then. 10 index cards. Wouldn't you just like make those index cards into like a kind of a. Because you know, like make those index cards into like playing cards, sort of, where you like shuffle, like put numbers on them, and you like shuffle them up, and then you like pull a card and see. All right, we can do that. We got this. We got this. I will learn. This is awesome, though. Yep. She said, "Give me a minute. I have to do some math."
Good. Maybe it'll help other people that are having trouble with their calculations and everything too.
Yeah, and I've already gotten about a problem done. Oh wait, no, 2 problems done. 30. She'll make 30 baskets in her next 50 throws. Okay. Oh wait, 20%. Please tell me this is not something so simple for me. Alright. So she'll make it in 30 baskets. And so I need to describe how she could use 10 index cards to predict the answer. So it's 30%. So how do you use index cards things? Because they're only. Yes, please. And it'd be really loud. So she said. So you said 30 baskets, and she said 60%. Oh wait. Divide 60 by 100. Okay. Which gave me 0.6. Okay. Sounds good. Right? Okay. Maybe I should try this myself sometime.
Right.
Yeet says she divided 60 by 100, which gave her 0.6. Then multiplied 0.6 by 50, which gave her 30. Now let me look up the index card thingy. Alright. So, the answer's 30%. I'm really good at division. It's not good at multiplication. I need to catch up, man. Microphone. How's it already been 30 minutes? Time goes by. This might be a little bit longer At least I'm knowing how to do it. Be careful. I hear a bird.
But she's sleeping with the babies down there.
Bird flew in. He's like looking something up so I can talk about that. Ready. See, I'm having you tell me how she got that, so I know how,
That's good.
and not just. Alright. Alright. We're good. I believe. Yeah. I believe I can learn too. So there are 50 throws in total and 10 cards in total. 10 cards. 50 throws, 10 cards. What? 50 cards? I'm trying to figure this out myself too. Each card equals 5 baskets. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 45, 50. That's right. Good job, Yeet. And it's common sense. Of course, I want to figure it out. Okay. All right. Now I know what's right. Because I think that's confirmed because 5 times 6 equals 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You're correct. Good job. I don't know why I'm saying that, even though I'm the one getting taught. Sorry. Each card equals 5 baskets. No, it's not even warm. I was making sure my computer wasn't getting too hot. Which is a shouldn't. Each card equals 5 baskets. And no. Let me go back here. Put 30 or 50 basket. Says yippee! Practically, since there are 60% chance of her making the basket, she will take 6 cards, which are all equal to 5 baskets, and add them, you get 30. So 10 cards are you. Yes! So I basically. 8 cards equals 80. Seven cards equals 70. And 6 cards will equal 60. And so on. 5 cards will equal 50. Then 40 cards will equal 40. I understand.
How much more of that part of the lesson do you have?
I got one more question, and then I had the independent practice.
Okay.
Oh man, I just want to continue doing this.
You don't want to burn out your printer.
No. Okay. Alright. So, yes. Answer complete. Mm. Let me know when you're ready for the next question, or let me know when you get too exhausted of it. Of course, like Never said, I don't want to burn my friends out. Because you already have to deal with school in real life. Gotcha. She said be right back because he had to. Yeah, I am. Uh-huh. I don't think I turned on live chat replay. Yes. This is good though. I mean, it takes a little bit longer, but I'm like, I get to talk with my friends while also like learning. I don't know. I don't think so. I never checked again this one today. I'll check after this. Not like I have any real life friends unless it's Warren. Warren never did anything to me. I will meditate while I'm waiting. And it's like this meditate with me. We have the homework in my lap. Oh, she's back. Hello, just meditating while I was waiting because I need balance like that. Now my brain is refreshed. Let's go. Alright. Question number 3. How do you find an experimental probability of a simple event? I think this one. And reread it. How do you find an experimental probability of a simple event? Simple event. They have to shove that in my face. They're like this. The people in the book here? They're like, how do you find an experimental probability of a simple event? No. Oh, yeah.
So go back and find the bold underlined words or whatever the same simple event and see what it is. I remember this.
Hold on a second. Let me. Thank you, Yeet. She said bless you because I sneezed. Simple event. Let me go back to the first lesson to find out. Was it the first lesson? 12.1? Just tire out my arm while I just go back all the way back and just waste my time. Alright. You kidding me? Simple event. An event consisting of only one outcome. Okay. Okay. I got it now. I know what a simple event is now. How do you find experimental probability of a simple event? Alright, this should be easy. One outcome. Okay. Thank you for saying it up there so I can remember, because I for some reason forget. Alright. How do you find experimental? Alright, experimental probability. Probably at the beginning too. Let's go see. Does not have even anything to do with this lesson, I believe. Hey, here we go again. Experimental probability. The ratio of the number of times an event occurs to the total number of trials or times that the activity is performed. The ratio. Ratio! Yay! Another thing I was bad at. Just pretty much say that I'm bad at all math. Everybody knows that now. And I'm okay with that. Because I'm going to learn. Isn't it like, kind of like decimals? Did you seriously just use my spelling words?
I don't use spelling words, dude. I have a very wide vocabulary. They use my words.
Anyway, ratios are like fractions. Of course they're like fractions. The one thing I'm bad at. Just kidding.
The one thing?
I know, right? I just said I'm bad at old math and I said that.
The one thing. Yeah.
Alright, how can you find the experimental probability of a simple event?
And you were doing it yesterday.
By doing... Did I certify this? Isn't it by like... Isn't it like rolling dices and stuff and like guessing?
It's not guessing, it's probability.
Probability, okay.
It's like what we did. It was like, okay, what is the probability of rolling an 8 on a dice that has only 6 sides? 6 numbers, that was obviously just a 0% chance that that's going to happen. And then there was like a 50% chance that you would roll something 3, 5. Remember, do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay. So does it apply? No?
You said, be right, let me look up what experimental probability is. I think I have it right here. Isn't that what I just read? I don't want to be an embarrassment to my friends and embarrass me in front of my friends. I don't want to be embarrassing my friends, and I don't want to embarrass myself in front of my friends.
You are meant to be humble, and it's good that you're being humble in that situation and admitting that you just found it.
Mathematically, the formula for the experimental probability is defined by probability of an event P E number of times an event occurs / total number of trials. I'm really glad you put these things up here so I can not have to go back through like that. Now I can just keep it like this. Then grab my pencil.
Online tutoring live stream.
Yep. How do you find it? All right. So betting is like this, right? It's kind of like betting.
Yeah.
Like you put your money on it and stuff, and that's just like statistics, whatever that.
So what's the question again?
How do you find an experimental probability of a simple event? It sounds so simple, but it's just right out of my reach. I know what it means, but it's just, I'm trying to figure out what.
What did I say? I don't know.
It's like the first question.
There's like several points.
We can do the second question.
So far what they taught you to roll.
In the second question, like the letters A, B, C, and D, and the frequency and stuff like that. And the frequency. Like the second, she says like the second question we did.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, the problem is I don't have any numbers. I don't have any numbers to add and put together. That's just a problem. Oh wait, I don't even have to do anything like that. I just have to explain.
You have to explain it.
I have to explain it.
I
have to explain it.
Yes. It's okay.
I will not be ashamed. I will not be ashamed. Okay.
Pretty good for the gap that you have. That's pretty good.
And just snapping my head like a balloon. I don't know. I know how to explain it now. Let me write it down, and if it sounds okay to you guys, then I think I know before it goes away. Let's see. This might sound really dumb, so I might have to make it more specific. They only give you 2 lines. Are you kidding me? I have so much more to write. Yeah.
Good thing for today. We'll have to do some tomorrow and on Monday, but I think that's good.
Yeah, what's the top number? There's a denominator and there's a top one. What's that called? Because I forgot. That's for you. Sometimes. So I'd say put something like divide the numbers of times. Yes, thank you. Way better than what I had. Let me just erase this. Because math talk is not my thing either. This math is not my thing. Old geometry, like how many sides is a straight path, is like my type of math. Or maybe I'll just never. Hold on. I know. There. I wrote what you said, told me to say. Told me to put. Divide the number of times an event occurs by the total amount of trials. Maybe also give an example. Okay, sounds good. After this, we're going to do PE, which I'm really excited for because it's warm. And are we going to live stream that too?
I don't know. I don't know if I have the capacity, but if I can, I will. And then you have social studies, and then you were like done.
Yeah.
Dragging on a little bit.
Give an example. Yes, that.
All done? Oh, well.
Almost, yes. I'm listening to you give an example. I'm literally going to do the question that we did. I thought the frequencies were 11, 7, were 14, 7, 11, 8. I mean, 14, 7, 11, and B. Threw up my mouth. Luckily, Yeet was gone for that. I threw up my mouth. No, she said I'll be back. It'd be really sad if you said I saw it. All right, there you go. I'm just gonna wait for you to come back and tell her I finished and did what she said.
You got more done today, I think, than you have like for a long time.
I'm just gonna sit here like
Like you died.
yeah.
So then the moderators will come in and freak out and turn down our channel, and then we'll start another one.
Be like that, and then put a pencil right here. But that
Oh,
wouldn't.
yeah, you got a lot done.
Did I?
Good.
Let's wait for me. No, later.
Okay. I can help you with this later.
It'd be even weird if I had my eyes open staring at the camera. Those dull eyes, I could just totally fake that. I made my viewers freak out.
24 hours. Alright, so yeah, that's all we have left is the.
No, if they saw me like that for more than like 30 minutes, they would probably call the call 911.
Animal control.
No, 911.
Oh.
I'm gonna say like the cops, but I don't know why they would. That'd be a call 911. I'd hope. No, it's just called just the cops.
What do you want to do today? You want to do some bending or something?
I want to like run.
You can run. Okay,
I want to live stream it
what I
though.
can do is I can put it on the cameras.
Can we do Can we live stream it?
Why not? It's like 6 hours out of my day. It's live stream already.
Hi, Yeet, welcome back. And yeah, I finished. I did what you said. I did what you said exactly out of all words.
Oh, I put it away already. Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's for some reason flipped it anyway, like weirdly. And I also put an example, like you said. I literally just copied off the one that we did earlier. So yeah, I'm definitely getting an A+ for that one. So pretty much I'm done now, and since this live stream is already 52 minutes, I'm gonna end this live stream soon. But then I might, but we're going to live stream my PE too. So if you want to come, you can. I know you have your own life and stuff. I understand. So yeah.
Social studies is guaranteed to be boring.
Yep.
But thank you so much for coming and helping with that.
Yes. And what do you mean mess me up on math? Even if it's incorrect, quote unquote, I'm still glad you tried and stuff. More than no. Well, she said even, but I think it's correct. But she I don't know.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's
You're doing better than my real life friends
and your teachers.
and my teachers. So that's saying something. I just have a hard time remembering things. Yeah, similar. Me too.
Huh?
She said I have a hard time remembering things. I do too. So I feel like I want to run up and touch my sky. So yep, I'm going to. I swear I'm going to get dementia when I'm older. What's
Dementia.
that? Dementia. Oh.
I hope not. I don't know. We're kind of like that soon.
I forgot. I only remember things I want to.
Oh yeah, I know. You remember all the shrines are and stuff in Breath of the Wild. Oh, I remember this one. I remember that one.
I remember what a creeper does. So
Alrighty.
we're about to do a PE live stream. Thank you for coming. Maybe see you in this next live stream, but either way, thank you for helping me with my math. It makes me feel awesome. That doesn't right. It makes me feel heartwarming.
End it before you say something you need to.
All right. See ya.